Hey guys, basic tips muna tayo guys kung paano malalaman kung sira yung power supply ng ating system unit. Ayan, i-on muna natin guys. Tapos ayaw pa rin mag-on, ayan. Tapos ditest natin yung power supply kung okay o hindi. Okay guys, hanapin mo lang yung green at saka black, tapos maghanap ka ng kunting wire. Kaya nito, jumper mo yung wire. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin guys. Okay guys. So, just go straight. Yan guys. So, pasok mo lang nito sa green at saka black. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung supply dito sa likod. Ayan, gumagana po guys yung fan niya. So, hindi sira yung ating power supply. So, ayan po guys. So, mga basic tips muna tayo guys. So, that's all.